हेलो, वेलकम एवरीवन, माय फ्रेंड्स, माय सब्सक्राइबर्स। स्वागत है आपका फाइनली उस वीडियो का जिस वीडियो का आप बहुत दिनों से इंतजार कर रहे थे। जी हाँ, टुडे इज द डे आई फाइनली रिवील द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ द 2026 ट्रिपल एक्स जी न्यू ईयर गिव अवे कंटेस्ट। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड योर फैमिली। आई होप आप ये नया साल खुशियाँ से और अच्छे से स्पेंड कर रहे हैं। And may this year be prosperous to all of us. This is the second edition of the giveaway contest organized on my channel. Last year first edition था, and just like last year, इस साल भी the contest ran from 25th December 2025 to 31st December 2025, and in the span of 1 week, lots of contestants participated in this contest. So thanks to all of you. So, are you ready? Let's find out the names of those 5 lucky winners जो जीतेंगे 2026 Triple XG New Year giveaway contest, and I will be sending those 5 lucky people some gifts from my side. Please accept them with my heartiest congratulations. And one of them will be winning the legendary Casio F91W to be adorned on the wrists. Let's get started. यहाँ पर is the list of all those 34 names जो इस contest में participate किए हैं. Thanks to all of you for showing us support and participating. And इन list में से कोई 5 जन lucky winners होंगे and एक जन को मिलेगा this watch. So एक करके मैं ये नाम्स इस बॉक्स के अंदर डालने वाला हूँ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 and 34. इस बॉक्स के अंदर वो 34 नेम्स है. So let's get started. मैं इसको बॉक्स को लॉक करने वाला हूं. अब मैं इसको अच्छे से शफल कर दूंगा. That's it. अब just like last year, I will be putting on this blindfold. I am now blindfolded. So let's start with the results. So here we go. Now I'm going to open this lid and keep it aside. And अब मैं एक एक करके यहाँ से 5 पेपर्स निकालूंगा. Here we go. ये रहा दोस्तों. The first name is out. ये एक ही है ना? Yeah, this is one. Oh, keeping this aside, now I'm going to take my blindfold off. ये रहा वो 5 नाम जो 2026 ट्रिपल एक्स जी न्यू ईयर गिवअवे कंटेस्ट की विनर्स होने वाला है. So, shall we reveal the names? Yes, we definitely should. अब मैं 1 by 1 ये सभी नेम्स को रख रहा हूँ from left to right. Now, 1 by 1, let's unfold these pages and see the list of those winners. Starting with the first winner of 2026 Triple XG New Year giveaway contest is token number 33, Arnab Chakrabarti. Congratulations, Arnab Chakrabarti. You are selected as the first winner of 2026 XXXD New Year giveaway contest. Congratulations to you for being the first winner. Now, the second winner of 2026 XXXD New Year giveaway contest is serial number 27, Shishir Sarkar. Token number 27. Congratulations, Shishir Sarkar, for being the second winner of 2026 XXXD New Year giveaway contest. Now the third name of 2026 XXXD New Year giveaway contest is token number 23, Shubhangi Adurja. Congratulations, Shubhangi, for being the third winner of 2026 XXXD New Year giveaway contest. The fourth name of the winner of 2026 XXXD New Year giveaway contest is token number 15, Anshuman Bhattacharya. Congratulations, Anshuman, for winning this contest. The final name, the fifth winner of 2026 XXXD New Year giveaway contest. The ultimate name is serial number 1, Disha Bajpayee. Congratulations, Disha, for being the final winner of 2026 XXXD New Year giveaway contest. Congratulations to Disha Bajpayee, Anshuman Bhattacharya, Shubhangi Adurja, Shishir Sarkar and Arnab Chakrabarti for being the 5 lucky winners of 2026 XXXD New Year giveaway contest. Congratulations to all of you. आपने इस contest में part लिया. Thanks from my side and आप the top 5 lucky winners बने. And my heartiest thanks to the rest of the 29 people जो जीत नहीं पाए. कोई बात नहीं भाई, लाइफ में हार जीत होता रहता है. It's just a contest. इसी तरह और भी contests आते रहेंगे. Just keep on supporting me and my YouTube channel XXXD YouTube. And आपके support, आपके प्यार और आपके strength के बिना मैं कुछ नहीं हूँ. ये channel कुछ भी नहीं है. So thanks to all of you who participated and all of my viewers and subscribers. Thanks a lot. अब आते हैं इस results का phase 2, the second phase में. And one of these winners will be getting the hands on the legendary watch Casio F91W. So ये 5 names को अब मैं फिर से fold करने वाला हूँ and one by one मैं इसको इस box में डाल रहा हूँ. Now I am going to close this lid and shuffle it properly. Now, apart from being the 5 lucky winners, one of you among Disha Bajpayee, Anshuman Bhattacharya, Shubhangi Adurja, Shishir Sarkar and Arnab Chakrabarti will be winning the watch Casio F91W from my side. कौन है वो बम्पर प्राइज विनर जो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दी 5 गिफ्ट्स ये वॉच जीत के अपने घर ले जाएगा? किसके हाथ में ये वॉच होगा? लेट्स फाइंड आउट. दोस्तों, मैं ब्लाइंड फोल्ड पहन चुका हूं. अब इस लिड को मैं खोलता हूं and looking towards my left side, I will be picking one out of these 5 papers and we'll find out the ultimate lucky winner who will be getting the Casio F91W watch. So let's do it. And ये पेपर मेरे पास आ गया है. इस बॉक्स को साइड रखते हुए this is the name of the luckiest winner of this contest, to be exact. So, shall we reveal it? Yes, we shall. As of this moment, किसी को नहीं पता इस पेपर में किसका नाम लिखा हुआ है. The 5 of you each have 20% chance to win this watch. And जिसका भी नाम इस पेपर से निकलेगा वो ये लेजेंडरी वॉच मेरे तरफ से एक गिफ्ट की तरफ से वो जीतेगा. So, revealing the name in 3, 2, 1, the ultimate winner, the luckiest winner of 2026 Triple SG New Year giveaway contest, who will be winning this legendary Casio F91W watch is token number 23, Shubhangi Adurja. Congratulations Shubhangi for being the ultimate luckiest winner of 2026 Triple SG New Year giveaway contest. You are officially the winner who will be getting hands on this legendary watch. Congratulations to you Shubhangi. A huge round of applause for Shubhangi Adurja and all those 5 lucky winners in this contest. So friends, finally जैसे आपने देखा, we have the names of the 5 lucky winners of 2026 Triple SG New Year giveaway contest, including the one who has won the bumper prize. So congrats to all the winners of this contest, and my heartfelt thanks to everyone who participated and has supported me in my endeavor. Now let's see the gifts, what they'll be receiving for this year's New Year's gifts. Let's एक एक करके हम अब गिफ्ट्स को रिवील करेंगे. This is the first gift. Yes, 16 pieces Ferrero Rocher Moments जो उन 5 lucky winners को मिलने वाला है. So congrats to each one of you once again. Moving on to the next gift. ये है दोस्तों एक मून लैम्प, एक 3D मून लैम्प ग्लोब. ये मेरे पास भी है एंड ये बहुत खूबसूरत है. स्पेशली अगर आप इसको एक डार्क रूम में अगर आप इसको चलाओगे, यू कैन लिटरली सी द मून फ्रॉम इनसाइड द लैम्प. And this is what they'll be getting, each one of the 5. So congrats once again. The next which we have is the Triple XG personalized New Year greetings card. मैं इसको अब आपको अंदर से दिखाता हूँ. I wish you and your family a very happy and prosperous New Year. Congratulations on being one of the 5 lucky winners of our giveaway contest. 2025 was an incredible year for the channel, and I'm fully aware that none of this would be possible without your unwavering support. I am truly grateful to have you along for this endeavor. I hope 2026 brings success and happiness in your life. I look forward to growing even more alongside you as we take this channel to the next level together. Please accept these gifts as a small token of my appreciation for your participation in the contest. Thank you for being such a wonderful part of this journey. Triple XD. Thanks to everyone and congrats to the winners. And now the moment, the bumper prize जो शुभांगी अदुर्जा को मिलने वाला है. The luckiest of the 5 lucky winners जिन्होंने ये वॉच जीत लिया है. Let's unbox it. Yes, as you can see, this is the legendary Casio F91W watch. Wow, just look at this. ये एक मेरे पास भी है and it's an amazing watch. इसका बैटरी लाइफ like 10 years का है. Let's take a good look at this watch, the Casio F91W, and just look at this. It's one of the highest selling watches of Casio, the legendary Casio, the legendary Japanese watchmaker Casio, and this watch का बैटरी लाइफ 10 साल है and it's a very renowned collection among the watch collectors. So congratulations to Ms. Shubhangi Adurja for winning this watch along with the other 5 hits. So yeah, Casio F91W. So friends, this was it for this video, the 2026 Triple XG New Year giveaway contest. A big round of applause for all those 5 lucky winners and the luckiest one of all those 5. And my heartfelt thanks to all of those जो इस कंपटीशन में, जो इस कंटेस्ट में पार्ट लिए थे एंड जो नहीं भी लिए, जो मेरे वीडियोस को देखते हैं स्क्रीन के उस पार से. प्लीज़ कीप ऑन वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़ एंड कीप सपोर्टिंग मी इन माई चैनल. मुझे इस चैनल को नेक्स्ट लेवल तक लेके जाना है एंड वो सिर्फ मैं अकेले नहीं कर सकता, सिर्फ आपके प्यार और सपोर्ट के साथ ही कर सकता हूँ. सो वी टुगेदर विल मेक दिस चैनल टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. सो these are all the gifts and most of the gifts पैक भी हो गए हैं. बहुत जल्द आप 5 लकी विनर्स के एड्रेस पे ये सब कुछ पहुंच जाएगा. सो cherish this gift from my side. Please accept these gifts as a small token of appreciation for being my subscriber and for participating in this contest. So it's Triple XD here. Drop your like, drop your comments, share this video among your family and friends and do subscribe to my channel for more content. एंड अगर आपको कोई सजेशन है, एडवाइस है, सो बेझिझक आप मुझे कॉन्टैक्ट या फिर कमेंट में अपना एडवाइसेस ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं. इट्स ट्रिपल XD. आई विल सी यू लेटर.